Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Earlier today, I did a video on rotating off center, and here's another way to do it. These two are exactly the same. I just did the interactive fill tool differently. Get to your ellipse tool and do not hold down the control button and make an ellipse. And then hit P and put it in the center of the page. You can change the size of the ellipse or whatever you want to do. Control D, and because it's in the center of the page and it's a centerable object, you can just rotate it 20 degrees. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill this in. Now, at this time, I've got my nudge factor set pretty high. I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I'm going to select my item. I'm going to go to the interactive fill tool. And I kind of like that, the way I did that last one. Put a little black and maybe make it a little bit more. There's a lot you could do. Now, Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the X right there to get the center mark. Move your center mark. Doesn't look like it is, but sometimes it is or it isn't. There it is. Now rotate it that same 20 degrees. And just keep hitting Control D all the way around. It kind of gives it a 3D effect. Now you could do a lot with this. You could select it all and give it an outline of black. You can make it thicker. Let's go a little bit thicker. You could make it white, which I actually think makes it kind of stand out and look 3D-ish. Anyway, kind of a fun project. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.